we're driving in a Ruf Rt35 991 based with a PDK, and our friend Rafael drives it. And it's a hot days, 20-25 degrees. And this is number 1. It's the same car displayed out Geneva this year, 2012. You can see RT35 details here and there. And we might try see how a launch will be. And this is the 4-wheel drive version.
This rear wheel drive.
Oh, it's rear wheel drive. Yes. That's true, it's rear wheel drive. And it's actually 345mm wide rear tires, because the body is extended with 54mm, not on each side but in total. Yeah, total. And now we don't have cup tires on, it's Michelin tires on, street tires. The mileage on this one, it's 4,000 kilometers.
No, 8,800.
Oh yeah, 8,800. I'm blind apparently. And we have seen some nice cars today. CTR 3 Club Sport, RT12S with RT12R engine. Ah, it's nice. It sounds more aggressive than stock. The downshifts. Yes, it's very good grip, only to be rear-wheel drive. But thanks to the tail engine, I believe, with the weight on the rear wheels, and also the width of the wheels. And if you would say, what do you feel is the biggest difference between this one and the RT12S in terms of handling and power and overall feeling?
Because of this is so light, it's only 1,480 kilograms.
So it's lighter than the RT12.
Yeah, it's about 100 kilograms lighter.
Oh. And why is that? That is because the 991 generation is...
Because of the chassis, because it's only rear-wheel drive.
Ah, that's right, yeah. Saves weight. Yeah. But if you compare RT12S 2-wheel drive with this one, is the weight?
It's about 60 kilograms lighter.
Okay, 60 kilos. Is that because of the 991 generation is lighter?
Yeah, because complete body shell is so light.
And in terms of if it's lighter, and are they same hardness in chassis and road feeling, or is the 991 easier to control than a 997?
We did a different setup to this car.
Okay.
The usual 991 understeers a bit.
Yes.
But this car doesn't understeer at all.
Okay. And in terms of the RT12S, is it as is it more aggressive, or is it more for everyday usage, or is it?
This is more for everyday usage.
Okay.
But from 0 up to 300, it's also faster.
Yeah, and
because of the PDK, and it's lighter.
Exactly, lighter, but because the power is a bit less than the RT12.
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
But I said.
Yeah, PDK and
weight. Yeah. Let him go a bit. So.
Yeah, exactly. That's good. 0.
Oh, you just do this corner.
Yeah.
And,
okay. Interesting. I will see if it corners.
Yeah.
I can hear the turbos. about the grip. It was very little tire screech as well.
Yeah. It was not even the limit.
Oh wow! Oof. Yeah. Wow, you really can hear the turbo whine, and it's single turbo.
It's twin turbo.
Twin turbo, of course. And oh yeah, that's nice sound. Can we hear those turbos whine again? Wow, the dump bag. Almost like a Supra. No, actually. Oops. Oh. Yeah, but the grip is amazing. I mean, this would never be able to do in M5 or M6, so it would just spin all over the place. But a little tire screech and then grip. Very nice.
We have done lots of development for the suspension and for the tires.
Yes.
Together with Michelin.
Yes.
So I think it works.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, let's go left here.
Yes, okay. And if you would choose between a RT12S and this one, you would choose this, I guess. But if you put in a RT12R engine in a RT12S, you would rather choose.
That's difficult.
Yeah.
Because I always prefer the pure power and
yes, and more power.
No.
And you couldn't just put the RT12R engine with this over 750 horsepower.
It wouldn't work with the manual, with the
with
PDK,
PDK,
it
exactly.
wouldn't work with the manual one.
But you have also reinforced this PDK.
We've reinforced it.
Yes. This was some nice roads, and this is the problem again with 3-point belt. It's and it's also nice to see this has an integrated roll cage, right?
It has it.
Wow, so you hardly see it. It's in here. Yeah, it's impossible to detect, right?
Only thing you can see it's here. Because this is a bit wider.
Yes. So much torque everywhere. I lost count on the gears. Yeah. This is. Yeah, it's really needs a 4-point seatbelt. This car. So is there any time you miss a manual gearbox? As a professional driver, you could almost say, because you race as well on your leisure time.
This is way faster.
Yes, yeah, you can never be able to shift faster. And there is no stability control on now?
No, it won't. Everything is on.
Okay, that's nice to hear. It's brakes. What does it brakes? Have you measured it? 300 to 0 or
No, we didn't
200 to 0?
We didn't measure it.
Okay. Yeah. But they work, that's for sure. And the ceramic brakes, is it 380 millimeters?
380 at the front and 350 at the back.
Yep. And they are they roof specific, or are they Porsche from the shelf of Porsche?
They are specific from.
Okay, of course. Yeah, you cannot use anything
Because you
Porsche.
have to adjust it for this chassis.
Exactly.
Because of the different weight distribution of the car.
Exactly. And this one has aluminum rear fenders. You could, and front. You could choose in ceramic if you want, or
It's also available in carbon fiber.
yes. You have the sports Corona package on this one as well. And PDK is reinforced, and so do you have a choice of top speed with different gearing, or is it?
Can just choose between the PDK and it's it has a long 7th gear, or with the manual.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So PDK have a long 7th gear, and the top speed of this is
349 according to the speedo.
Yeah. What have you?
I think this one it's 340 in the GPS.
GPS.
But it was a quite hot day when I measured it.
And that's red line, or?
No, we have lots of revs.
Okay, yeah.
Or improvement.
So it could do even more, baby.
Yeah.